Welcome back to our podcast. Today we're diving into the world of software development, specifically looking at the fascinating dynamics that come into play when you're maintaining a project or a code branch. If you've ever delved into programming or open source software, you might have experienced the frustrations and triumphs of managing changes in a project, especially when working collaboratively on platforms like GitHub. So imagine this. You've put in hours, maybe even days of work into a pull request, and it just sits there. Nothing. Crickets. You find yourself wondering, should I keep holding my breath, or are we just not on the same page? It's a situation many developers face. After around 7 months of waiting for a decision on a pull request, frustration can build. You start to weigh your options. Should you abandon hope, or is it time to roll up your sleeves and maintain your own version of the project? This is what one developer decided to do, opting to maintain a fork separately. This decision is not just technical, it's a reflection of how collaboration and communication shape software development. So what does it really mean to maintain a fork? Well, maintaining a fork allows you freedom and control over your code. You can innovate, adapt, and evolve a project without being held back by a bigger team's decisions. It's empowering, but it also comes with its own challenges. Let's consider a question. What are the trade-offs? On one hand, you have the flexibility to make changes that might align more closely with your vision, but on the other hand, you risk diverging from the main project. There's a certain level of commitment and resources needed to keep it alive and relevant, and we can't dismiss the social aspect. There's an art to engaging with the original project contributors. Keeping communication lines open, seeking feedback, or at least understanding their workflow can make a difference. It's not just about the code, it's about community, collaboration, and sometimes dealing with the hard truth that not all projects are going to be a fit for everyone involved. Now let's take a moment to think about the larger implications of this. When you branch out into your own project, what does it say about the community? It could mean working in silos, or it could foster even greater innovation as developers create their own solutions to problems that matter to them. As we wrap up, it's clear that maintaining a fork isn't just a technical decision. It's a philosophy of software development, a way of blending collaboration with individual innovation. So for anyone out there feeling stuck with a PR that's not moving forward, remember, sometimes taking the leap to maintain your own branch can lead to amazing new possibilities. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this discussion sparked some thoughts about your own experiences in the dev world. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and don't hesitate to fork when you need to.